Hi everybody, my name is Jim. My channel is More Sunshine Please. I am part of the What I Like About You Disney YouTuber collaboration. What is that? Well, a bunch of us got together with this collaboration and we were assigned another YouTuber to get to know via their YouTube videos, Instagram, Facebook, what have you. So I was assigned a person, watched a lot of videos, got to know this person, and we have a bunch of questions to answer about our particular assigned person. So that's what I'm going to do. But first, let me tell you who's involved with this collaboration. Absolutely Fabulears, Christy's Corner, Cinder Loves Disney, Chronically Disney, Disney Damsels, Dream It DIY, Elyce Between the Ears, Erika DeOcampo, Florida Freaks, Jellie's Journey, Happiness and Sweet Tea, Hollie Ever After, Lost Girl in Tomorrowland, Mickey's Magic, More Sunshine Please, Part of Rosa's World, Perfectly Cat, Serena's Sparkly Diary, Singer Family Adventures, The Adamson Crew, The Kilt Guy, The Sisketears, TwinkleBellTerryn, and Wrestling with Disney. We're all part of this collaboration. Without further ado, here's my person. This is Erika DeOcampo. Erika has been a YouTuber for about 5 years. Her channel started with a makeup and hair tutorial focus. Those that have followed Erika for a while have also seen her through her engagement, marriage, her pregnancy, and the birth of her and her husband's first child. It seems to be right around this time, when her child was born, that her channel evolved into a home for all things Disney. She's got Disneyland vlogs, Disney World vlogs, giveaways, hauls, tags, challenges, swaps, exchanges, and more. So now I'm going to answer our assigned questions about Erika. Question 1. If you were to meet your person in person, what would you want to chat about? We know Disney, but specifically what? You know, I know Erika and her family have been to both Anaheim and Orlando Disney parks, so I love asking people what they prefer or what they like about each place in particular. So I always find that interesting. I have a feeling she has a Disneyland leaning, but I would still want to ask her about preferences and specifically. Question 2. After getting to know your person by pretty much internet stalking them, what do you find about them that keeps you coming back to see more? She is very professional sounding, and she presents herself in a very polished way. She's been doing it for a few years now. She knows what she's doing, and she's very good at it. So the fact that somebody's so good at hosting YouTube videos is very appealing. So that's what would keep me coming back for more. Just knowing how good she is at this. Question 3. If you were able to determine where your person is from, what would you like to do with your person if you visited their hometown? If you were not able to find out where they're located, what would you most likely like to do with this person at the parks? If I were to visit her hometown, I would want her to show me what she loves about that place. If Disneyland is her home park, I would want her to show me what she loves about that. So I was lucky enough to be able to go to Disneyland for the first time in a long time back in August, and I had the pleasure of joining people whose home park is the Anaheim Disney parks. So that was such a joy. I want to see what other people see in those parks as their favorite things. Question 4. If given the opportunity to celebrate your person's birth, what would you do? I'd go to Disney World, of course, or Disneyland, whatever. You know, there are so many awesome places to eat in the Disney parks now. I would find out what her favorite place is. Then we'd go there and have an awesome Disney meal and have a great Disney birthday. Question 5. When thinking about your person's personality, what is the first word that comes to mind? You know, the first word that came to mind, I said it a couple questions ago, polished. She's so professional in front of the camera, very comfortable. She's very good at this. I encourage everybody to check out her channel and see what I saw. If you're not familiar with her, check it out. Question 6. If your person were to come across an injured animal on the side of the road, what do you think they would do? Well, I know through watching her videos, she's an animal lover. Specifically, dogs. I know she has at least a couple of dogs. So no doubt she'd stop and try to help that animal as much as she could. 7. If you and your person were to have a friend's evening out anywhere, what would you plan for your person that you would know that would make their evening a blast while you also still enjoyed your evening? Listen, this is a Disney YouTuber community, okay? We're going to a Disney park. What would be truly awesome is if she got a group of her friends, I got a group of my friends, we could all be Disney YouTuber friends together, enjoying the parks. That would be awesome. Everybody in this community is wonderful. I've never met a bad person yet, so I think we would have a blast. The more the merrier. Question 8. If given the opportunity to be anything they want and do anything they want, what do you think your person would want to be and do? I had mentioned this before. She started her channel with a focus on makeup and hair tutorials. I wouldn't be surprised if she were to become an influencer in some way, whether it be a professional hairstylist or makeup artist in Hollywood, or creating a larger presence on YouTube, one where she could help millions of people solve their makeup and hair problems. I think that's what she'd like to do. Question 9. If you could pick one song, any song that represents your person, what would it be and why? Baby, how you feeling? You know, that's a song about celebrating your life, being your very best self. I'm going to say that one. Question 10. What celebrity would play your person in a movie and why? I'm sure she's gotten this before. I'll say Eva Longoria. Just physically, there's a bit of a resemblance there. Not a bad one to play you in a movie. Heck, I'd take her to play me in a movie. Question 11. What flavor ice cream do you think would describe your person and why? Good grief. You know, I just tried this ice cream on a live stream. It's called Santa's White Christmas by Barney's. And it's an espresso ice cream with a bit of coconut, caramel, vanilla. It's really good. It's a fun ice cream. It's very good, of high quality. And it made me good enjoying that ice cream, as it would make you good watching her videos. Question 12. Do you know if your person has any phobias? If so, what are they? You know what? I honestly don't know if she has any phobias. Of the videos I've seen, I didn't come across any, so she's fearless. Question 13. Do you know your person's favorite park? If so, what is it? I don't know for sure. I'm going to guess it's Disneyland Park. I think anybody that lives west of the Mississippi is going to choose Disneyland Park as their favorite park. It is an awesome park. You can't go wrong there. Final question, 14. What do you like or dislike about this collaboration? I felt like this collaboration required more time of me than I was able to give it. I did my best, but it's a big endeavor to try to get to know somebody only through their YouTube videos and in a relatively short amount of time. But other than that, this was a pretty cool collaboration. Well, that's it. Those are my questions. Please go check out Erika DeOcampo on YouTube. Her link and everybody's link in this collaboration is down in the description below. My name is Jim from More Sunshine Please. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody.